So, today we're going to be showing a repair video for a common issue known as fence post top rot. This happens because water and snow will gather on top of this flat fence post and it'll seep through the wood, freeze and expand, thus causing cracks and holes in the wood. And the water causes rot. You can see how deep this hole is, for example. So step one is to treat the damaged wood with clear penetrating epoxy sealer. This is a two-part epoxy resin and it penetrates into the wood fiber and strengthens the wood. It should take about 2 days to fully harden and cure. And step two is to fill the hole in the wood with a two-part epoxy resin filler mixed with sawdust to form a putty. Okay, so before we do any of that, we have to clean the hole because there will be powder, or there will be rotted wood that will form a little powder, like so. So we just clean that. You don't have to get all the rotted wood out, but it's good to get as much as you can. The product we'll be using is clear penetrating epoxy sealer. It comes in two parts, part A and part B, and both parts need to be mixed together in equal volumes to be used properly. This is part A, and I'm going to put in 8 ounces of part A. And try to keep your face away a little, just because this stuff isn't totally safe to breathe in. This is part B, and I'm gonna add 8 ounces of part B. Nice. So right now I'm stirring them. We need to stir them for a good minute to make sure that they are thoroughly mixed together. And so pour some of it in the hole, not all of it though, because we want to treat some of this other surfaces of this to prevent more holes and cracks from appearing. So once we thoroughly coat the sides of the hole and the top of the post with this stuff, we'll wait for a day for it to harden so we can add the filler. So we've come back for the second phase, which is to fill up the cracks at the top of the posts with epoxy resin wood filler, which also comes in part A and part B. So the product we're going to be using for filling the void in the wood is this. So we're going to be mixing in equal parts of A and B. So much like so. Okay, it's a little above 8 ounces, so I'll do the same for the other one. Yeah, so the directions say to mix thoroughly for at least a minute. So I'm going to add this sawdust in to make it into a putty. It looks like we've got a good consistency and a good color here, thanks to the sawdust. Now we're filling up the hole with the filler. So this is what it looks like 1 day later, and now we're going to sand and stain it.